to the scene, we ain't never had a flex. Yeah, Da Vinci on my collar and these Levi's on my neck. Yeah, I'm finna pop a bean and the Molly just to sweat. All this Henny in my system got me saying no regrets, yeah.
Alright, y'all, so I actually ordered some Megan Racing test pipes. So they came in like last week, but I haven't been able to install them until I have time. So I'm gonna go ahead and install the Megan Racing test pipes, and then yeah. All right, here's the box. It says for off-road use only. You can't use them on regular street vehicles, but it's okay. I don't even know that, you know. All right, here's one of the test pipes. Look at the welds. Look at the welds. They're like super clean. It's nice. Here's the other one. See, this one says Megan exhaust right there. Yes, sir. It does come with the gaskets and the hardware, so there should be 4 gaskets, 2 on top and 2 on the bottom. Let's install that. All right, so I put the penetrating oil on the bolts right here. I just put them on all of them. So I'm just gonna let that sit for a little bit, let it do its work, then I'll unbolt them and take them off. So I used all these extensions up here and the swivel and the ratchet to hit these aka demon bolts from the catalytic converters. I got 2 of them off, and I could do the other ones from the bottom. And then just on this side, I can unbolt those. And then swap out the OEM cats. All right, so I got those bolts off up there. It's connected to the O2 sensor. And then the only bolts I need left is this one from the little bracket right here. And then the ones on the white pipe. All right, the O2 sensors plugged in. Sure, just have to put the gaskets on the bolts, put it onto the white pipe, and then the headers. All right, both the stock OEM catalytic converters are out. First test pipe is in. Now, let's put the second test pipe and we'll be done. I just got to disconnect that O2 sensor and plug it into this one. And then bolt everything back on, make sure the gaskets are on there pretty good. Torque everything down pretty good. And then we should be good. I still need to do a throttle body reset, but that's super quick. After that, I'll do a cold start since I haven't turned it on like a day. So we'll see how it sounds. Yes, sir. All right, both test pipes and O2 sensors are plugged in. Everything's tightened up. It's done. Yo, that sounds sick. Do some reps, do some reps. It's super loud, huh? Yeah, see.